Welcome to Mexico. On Saturday, this track will host the latest round of the ABB Formula E Championship. But we're here to celebrate the launch of the brand new Jaguar I-Pace with a very special challenge, showing that innovating from race to road has placed Jaguar at the forefront of the EV revolution. And here it is, the I-Pace, all-electric, all-wheel drive, and 0 to 60 in just 4.5 seconds. So, what of its challenger? We've brought along a car from an established player in the EV market. But does it have what it takes to beat the Jaguar I-Pace in our head-to-head challenge? Driving the I-Pace is Panasonic Jaguar Racing's Kiwi Formula E star, Mitch Evans. In the Tesla is Brazilian Indy 500 winner and former IndyCar champ, Tony Kanaan. The challenge is very simple. From a standing start, the drivers have to reach 60 miles per hour as fast as possible and then brake to a standstill. The one covering the shortest distance wins. Capiche?
I got it.
Who's going to win?
The I-Pace is lighter, it's agile. I've got this.
Come on then, enough of the talking. Get in the cars. So the pressure is on. Can the I-Pace become the EV to beat?
This thing is a beast. You got zero chance.
Bring it on. Good stuff. This is quite a walk. Mate, I smashed it.
I need a faster car. Can you get me the P100D?
Well, for the price of a P100D, I could almost buy 2 of these.
Sure, mate. I still get another car to try.
Okay.
That is the bigger brother to the first Model X. It's the 100D. It's more powerful than the 75D, but will it be quick enough to beat the I-Pace? Let's find out.
Let's do this!
Yes.
So 2 out of 2, Jaguar have won it by a similar distance again. You're pretty smug, and rightly so. How did it feel?
Yeah, it was great. The response was instant and also pulled up really well.
Surprised?
Yes, I thought I had him, but 2 out of 2, I give up.
Proof then that Jaguar are really set to shake up the EV revolution. I think we need to pop into Mexico City and sample a few sights and delights.
I agree. Dinner, and he's buying it.
Done. Come on
Let's
then.
go.